In market there are many headphones and headsets are coming. We used to see that which headphone to buy. So sometimes we buy for to listen music, or sometimes for as a hands free, and sometimes most importantly we use for office purpose, that is for video calls and like whatever Skype or something. So yes, my dear friend, today we are going to discuss on the one of the headset. Today I'm going to discuss on the Jabra Evolve 40. Okay. So friends, here it is a Jabra Evolve 40 headset, so which I got in this wrap, this package Jabra. It's very nice. And in Amazon, if you see today, I just saw it is about Indian rupees 11,140, and in Flipkart it's around 11,435. If I see here, it is 11,434. You can see here 11,434. Can you see? I really don't know if you can see. At 11,434. So let's start one by one. Let me open, then I can give my feedback. I was using for a couple of days this one, especially for official use. Okay, so let's have a closer look. So friends, I'm just opening one by one. Let's see what are the pieces it's coming. So if you see here, I think there are some manuals. I think this is some manuals and declarations. So majority are written in Chinese language, and yeah, there is also in English. And anyway, so I'm not going to read this in detail anyway. So this is the packet here. Okay, and let me show you properly the rate here. Over here, can you see this? 11,434, and this is the pin code or whatever it is, brand version of Jabra Evolve 40. Okay, and this is the feedback is very good, my dear friends. I saw earlier as well, and this they have given the manual, like how to fix other things, like like here you can fix, and you have a microphone. Also you have a like controller. You can pick the call or you can mute it, and you can reduce the volume also. And can you see this? Just for reducing the touch one. And here they have shown like what are the equipments you can connect. You can connect to laptop. You can connect to mobile. Can you see here? So, but you can connect one at a time, my dear friend, not both at a time. So in laptop you can connect with USB port as well. In case if there is no USB port, I think you can connect with 3.5 jack as well. Okay, and here it is, the main equipment. I believe there is a music also in free. I don't know, we need to log in here. That is Jabra productivity, and I'm not using this. And if you see here, my dear friends, let me remove this. There are three components here. I mean this one. Let me remove this as well. So if you can see here, so this is a headset. Let me come later this one, and this is a 3.5 jack going inside this. Okay, so there are two things. One, in case you directly can connect this to your mobile or to your laptop or computer, and in case if your laptop or computer has got 3.5, I mean whatever it is, USB port, then you can connect like this and connect to your laptop. And this looks very premium. I think very premium, my dear friends, very nice. Yeah, once you connect to the laptop configure, so we have here for is like pause button, then you have for maximizing the volume, minimize, then pick up the call and mute it. Okay, so and this is the headset, looks very nice. And the plus point of this headset is can you see this 180 degree, almost 170 degree you can turn this usually. So this way you have to wear usually right side. So this is the way you wear. And I believe I tested a couple of times. The microphone sound is excellent, very good. I will show you the demo. Okay, let me remove this. So the one what I'm speaking to you is I'm using the what do you call, the Boya mic. So I will make the Boya mic if you want the review later. This is the Boya mic I'm using. Okay, so I'm just testing with you. So this is a Boya mic. I'm removing the Boya mic microphone, and with my mobile mic, inbuilt mic I'm using. How it is, let me know. So my dear friend, I removed my pin of Boya mic. I'm speaking to you on the inbuilt mic of mobile. So I really don't know how is the voice. So you let me know in comment how is the voice quality of mobile. So now I'm going to switch back to Boya mic in a moment. then you let me know how is the sound quality. Okay, so now I have inserted the Boya mic. Now I really don't know how the sound quality, but when I compare to my inbuilt mic of mobile and the Boya mic looks very nice. Now people say, and I have compared, this mic's output quality is superb because the noise cancellation in mobile mic inbuilt one, it cancels little bit, and in Boya mic, yes, normally a decent way it cancels, but this one, my dear friend, the background noise or the noise cancellation 100% it goes, my dear friend. That's what the so much costly, and my company wants everybody to use this mic for the official purpose because there is no zero noise cancellation. Okay, it doesn't catch this. I really don't know how it works, but very nice one, no noise cancellation. Okay, so let me connect this and show you how is the quality. Yeah, friends, welcome back. So I am using my Evolve 40 Jabra Evolve 40 microphone. So you let me know in comment how is this voice quality of Jabra Evolve microphone. So it is a bit costly and expensive. So even though there is a background sound outside and the AC is running in my room, that's an old AC. It's not what you call the inverter AC where we have less sound. Can you see this background? There's a AC air conditioner running. Let me zoom a bit. So even then I don't know whether how is the sound there. I think sound should be a little better. So you let me know in comment how is the sound. So now let me switch back to the mobile microphone, how it looks, so that you can compare it. So now my dear friends, now mobile microphone is running, so you can compare now how is the mobile microphone compared to the Jabra. So let me turn back to the Boya mic. See, this is a Boya mic. I'm switching back. So now, my dear friend, now I am speaking to you using the Boya mic. So now you have three things, right? So this is a Boya mic. Now I'm removing Boya mic. This is a mobile mic inbuilt one. How it is a quality, you let me know. Now I will switch back the Jabra in a moment. Okay. So now I'm using this Jabra mic. So I don't know how the noise quality. Okay. So let me show you other component using the Jabra mic. So this is the Jabra mic controller wherein you can reduce the sound or you can increase the sound. So specifically this is used for the computer, laptop and computer, not for the mobile phones. So I really don't know if I can convert this into the mobile phone jack and I can use it, but I really don't know how far. So let me try this later. If it works, then I will let you know shortly. So this is what, my dear friend, this one my the unboxing of this Jabra Evolve 40, also the checking and testing. So wherever I have tested this, comparing to all microphone, this is the best I have seen, the best. Okay, that's the reason I think the quality, the rate is so high, 11,000 or not. I have never bought any mic before this for what do you call that, 11,000. And also I listen to the music sometime, because I love music, and music quality and the sound effect also very good. There is a bass as well as the stereo effect. Basically this is a stereo fun, my dear friends. Okay, so that's it for the today, and if you like the video, please share, subscribe. So I will try to upload this kind of videos more and more. So thank you very much. See you later.